Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Bambi token. Now the Bambi token just got listed on CoinMarketCap. It's been doing very well. Right now it's up 102.53%. It also just got a brand new central exchange listing. We're going to go over that as well. We're going to go over all the information on Bambi. Ticker symbol is BAM, B-A-M, and we're going to go over how to get this token in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Bambi token. So Bambi, like I said, just got listed on CoinMarketCap. It also just got listed on a central exchange called Lbank. So this is an Ethereum token, so you can get it off Uniswap by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then trading your Ethereum for the BAM token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap or their Etherscan, which is on CoinMarketCap, or their webpage. You can find it on there. Their webpage is Bambi.cash. You actually can't find their webpage on CoinMarketCap. It's not listed for some reason, but their Twitter is. So if you click on their Twitter, which is on CoinMarketCap, Bambi Cash Crypto, they have Bambi.cash at the top of their Twitter page, also with the contract address up there. So contract address is all over the place. Just make sure you have the right one. You might have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics, but we'll try to find that. And just be aware there is going to be a little bit of network fees and gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap. Or you can get this token off of Lbank. It just got listed on there by finding Lbank in the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT. That's what it's paired with. Go into the trade section, search BAM, the ticker symbol, and then simply buy the token that way off of Lbank. You can also get this token right off their webpage. It says buy with card. But, I mean, I don't know if these people are doxxed or anything. I don't know if it's safe to buy anything with a card off of their page. So just be careful of that. All right? So don't get scammed. You know, you don't want to give up your credit card information to just any old buddy, right? Just make sure you thoroughly do your own research before doing something like that. Now, anyways, so this token, 2 different ways to get it. Lbank, Uniswap, and then also off their webpage, buy with card. Now they have their Etherscan listed here on CoinMarketCap, their Twitter. They also have a Telegram at Bambi Cash. Their Twitter has 2,042 followers. They just joined in May 2023, so this project is very new, not even a couple weeks old yet. So it says, Disney never told us Bambi was a degen. So this is obviously, you know, just a total meme coin joke token type of idea here. We got Bambi pretending to be all cool, you know what I mean, and pretending to be all thuggish. Bambi is a meme coin with 100 trillion total supply, 95% issued at launch, stealth launch, no taxes. So if you do buy this token or sell it on Uniswap, you most likely will not have to set slippage because it says no taxes. No pre-sale, auto compounding liquidity, LP burnt and contract renounced. And you can click on LP burnt to verify that if you like. It says BAM is a meme coin. Just be aware of that. They have the burn address on here. It says verified token address. It's a meme coin. It's fun. 100% grassroots. BAM does not have any central overlords, and it will become what you make it. Fair launch. 95% of the tokens will be distributed on day 1 with an equal opportunity for everyone. No pre-sales. Total supply, 100 trillion tokens, and that will be a fair token for all. So the story of Bambi is on their webpage. Once upon a time, Bambi was a bright-eyed child star with a future full of promise. He lived in a charmed life forest, surrounded by friends and family, until one fateful day everything changed. Bambi witnessed his mother shot by a hunter's bullet, and the trauma seared into his psyche, leaving him with nightmares and a deep sense of rage. So this sounds like a nice story. As he grew older, Bambi found a new kind of family, a gang of misfits in the heart of East LA. Thumper, Flower, and the others welcomed him into the fold, teaching him how to survive on the mean streets. But survival came at a cost. So he started doing shady things to make ends meet, and it became his downfall. Bambi lost everything, his friends, his money, his dignity. He hit rock bottom. He was desperate for cash. So the once proud and noble deer was now a shadow of his former self, broken and lost. Even his physical appearance looked like he had a brutal encounter with Mike Tyson, leaving him missing his front teeth and a scarred face. Bambi's story has taken a dark turn, and there were sure to be many more twists and turns in the future, but for now, he is just another victim of the unforgiving streets of LA, struggling to survive in a world that has turned his back on him. However, with the help of a compassionate stranger who saw potential in him, Bambi found the strength to turn his life around and leave his past behind. Now, BAM token holders have the opportunity to be a part of Bambi's redemption story and help him create a new chapter in the life and the creation of Bambi's new story. So there you go. You can help Bambi be a better person. It's a decentralized token, community movement. People can get excited, share the love. We have support from various online communities that will help make Bambi grow and shine in the future. It's the strength of this incredible community that will help rocket Bambi forward. So you can get it on Uniswap. It says liquidity locked. Their mission is for Bambi to grow, survive, and develop organically. Everybody has an equal chance. They show you how to set up your wallet, fund your wallet, get yourself some BAM. Our mission is to take BAM to more than 5 million Ethereum wallets. Go further than the dog coins, decentralized finance. They have their socials at the bottom of the page. Big disclaimer, disclosure, and legalese at the bottom of the page. So check all that out as well. Bambi.cash is where all the information is. And this token you can find newly listed on Lbank, and you can find it newly listed on CoinMarketCap as well. Now, I am not a financial advisor. So why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.